How to add candidate in Hire module. Adding a candidate in Pocket HRMS is very easy due to the streamlined nature of the process. Let us observe the steps here. We need to select the Hire menu item and select the submenu item Candidate to reach the Candidates section. Clicking on the Candidates tab opens the candidates list. We need to click on the Add button to open the Add Candidate screen. Here, we enter the candidate's basic details, such as their full name, gender, email ID, phone number, etc. As you can observe, some of the data is mandatory, differentiated by the red asterisk. You can also upload an image of the candidate from this page. The source section is mandatory, and it helps in understanding where the candidate is sourced. Once all details are entered, you can click on Proceed to the next page. As you can observe, Pocket HRMS also ensures data duplicity is avoided. Let us change the email and proceed further. This page deals with the candidate's work experience and educational qualifications. Let us quickly enter the dummy values. Note that the work experience section can be left blank if the candidate is a fresher. The Is Present checkbox indicates that the candidate is still working in that company. Similarly, we need to enter the academic details, which require all relevant information. Once you have entered the details, click on Proceed to apply for job to proceed further. We need to enter the relevant details on this page, such as their work experience, current CTC, expected CTC, etc., based on the candidate's interaction to proceed further. Finally, we need to upload the resume and click on Save to save the candidate details into the system. Here we have the new candidate on the candidates list page. Note that you can view all candidate details from this page directly without clicking through. You can also click on the down arrow to view additional information and the candidate's timeline in the system. We hope this has been an informative learning experience for you. Stay tuned for more innovative guides on Pocket HRMS.